Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you in the 7th lesson of class 3. In the previous lesson, we have done the reading plus explanation of unit 2, that is Saint Brigid and the Fox. We are going to do the exercise that is on page number 9, but before that, here is some information given about Saint Brigid. So let's read them. Saint Brigid lived in Kildare. People loved her because she was always so good and kind. Saints are those people who are very pious. They used to live alone, and they just used to pray the God all the time, day and night. So they are very pious people. People loved her because she was also so good and kind. Saint Brigid's Day is on 1st February. This is also the first day of spring. Many places in the island are named after Saint Brigid. This is an Irish saint. Remember, this is Irish saint. And there are many schools in the island called Saint Brigid's School. Okay, students. So this was little information about the Saint Brigid. Now let's move to the exercise. These are the question answers. For the question answers, already the words are given to you in the table. So you just have to pick up the correct word and you have to put them in the answers. So they are very easy. Students, again I'm telling you, before watching this, the exercise which I have done for you, you should do it by yourself. You should practice it by yourself. Then just to make it correct, or just to find out that your answer is correct or not, then you can take help from these answers which I have already done for you. Got it? So let's read the question. Answer the questions by filling in the missing words. The missing words are killed, Irish saint, fox, escaped, hunter. So the first question is, who was Saint Brigid? She was obviously not killed, not fox, not escaped, not hunter, but she was an Irish saint. So you will write the answer Irish saint. The second question is, what pet did the king of the island have long ago? He had obviously not killed, not Irish saint, not escaped, not hunter, but the king had a pet, and that was a fox. So he had a fox. Question number 3 is, what did the fox do one day? One day the fox escaped. The fox ran away from the king to the woods. Question number 4 is, what did the hunter do? The hunter killed. The hunter killed the fox. Question number 5 is, who was the king angry with? He was angry with obviously that was the hunter. The king was angry with the hunter. Question number 6 is, what did Saint Brigid bring to the king? She brought him a fox. She brought him a fox so that he must be calmed down and not to kill the hunter. So hope these question answers are clear to you now, people. We are moving to now exercise B, that is true and false. In true statement you have to put tick, and cross statement you have to put cross. So let's read them out. The king got a new fox from the Saint Brigid. Yes, the Saint Brigid brought the new fox for the king. So this is tick. Second is, the king was angry with the hunter. The king was angry with the hunter. Yes, the king was angry with the hunter because the hunter killed his pet. Number 3 is, the king wanted to kill the hunter. Yes, the king really wanted to kill the hunter because the hunter killed his fox. The king had a pet tiger. No, that was a pet. That was a fox. The pet was fox. The king killed the hunter. No, he was forgiven. Saint Brigid was afraid of animals. No, Saint Brigid was very friendly with the animals. Sand Brigid was a very kind person. Yes. Sand Brigid visited the queen. No. She visited the king. Sand Brigid lived in Kildare. Yes. Sand Brigid has her feast day in March. No. That is in February. We have read it already here. And the fox is a wild animal. Yes, because mostly we found the fox in the jungle, in the forest, so that's why this is wild animal. The fox is a clever animal. Yes. The fox can read and write. No, obviously not, because the fox is an animal. Okay, the fox lived with the king. Yes, because this was the king's pet. The king was killed by the king. The fox was killed by the king. No, this the fox was killed by the hunter, not by the king. So this is also cross. So hope you people are clear about this exercise now. Exercise B. Now let's move to exercise C. This is again your home task. You have to do it by yourself. What is this? Imagine. Draw a picture of these. You just have to draw a picture of a king and a fox. Even you can take help from this picture. The fox is there, the king is there. So if you want to make the king and the fox just like that, so you can draw. Otherwise, if you have some other good idea, so you can draw the picture of a king and the fox, and you can color it beautifully. So till next lesson in class, hope you will exercise these all things. You need to practice all these exercises. So hope you are clear about it. Thank you so much, students. Have a good time.